I'm looking for Ayala Salipao-Pao.
Kuya, US Embassy daw. Baka CIA yan.
Naku, embassy. Eh hindi ba nagkakabombahan sa embassy? Naku, baka pagbintangan tayo niyan, ha?
Which one of you is Ayala?
It's him.
Him.
No, him.
He's him.
Listen, I haven't got time to waste. I'm here to inform you that your Uncle Johnny died in America.
Oh, ang gulo na naman. Ang gulo magsalita eh. Hindi maintindihan ano ba sinabi?
Chong! Patay na daw si Uncle Johnny! Namatay sa Amerika!
Patay si Johnny? Hindi dapat mamatay yun eh. Parang kapatid ko yun eh. Mahal na mahal ako nun. Mahal na mahal ako nun eh.
And I'm here to tell you that he left you a very large amount of money.
Ay, sabi.
Nag-iwan daw ng pera.
Ha? Magkano?
How much?
A very large amount.
Malaki daw, Chong!
Ha? Buti namatay, ha? Walang iya yun eh. Inaapay ko nun eh. Mukhang kwarta yun eh. Buti namatay.